Hi, this is Masayo. I'm around 70 years old and I'm a fashion model. I lost 100 pounds 35 years ago and I'm maintaining this weight for the last 35 years easily. I lost weight easily. And I have about 15 tips and tricks for you. Please subscribe this channel to make your weight management and life much easier. This one is nobody tells you, and this is a real magic. You know, when we start losing weight, it hits a plateau. Then we work hard, stops, and then we get so frustrated and we give up, right? And this is so fun and easy and the amazing way of doing it. What I found out was when we, started losing weight, body feels, oh, we are starving. So then naturally try to stop, losing weight. Then we work harder. Then, the body try to protect. It's really hard and then you cannot lose weight. Okay, so what you have to do is fool the body, tricks the body by eating whatever you want to eat. Even junk food, whatever, a lot. Really, you can eat a lot for 1 or 2 days, whatever you want. Don't worry, trick the body. Then start again the diet. You can lose again easily. Then again, you hit the plateau. Then you do the same thing. Trick the body by eating a lot, whatever you want. It's easy and try it.